dey watch una.
Breaking: Atiku dey eye 2027 while Nigeria dey bleed 10,000 strong. And Buratai talk say insecurity no be military wahala, na politics. Atiku don talk say I go run 2027 under ADC, but some people say Obi or nothing. This one na political ambition, abi na generational frustration. Obi shout say over 10,000 citizens don kpai in 2 years. Bandits, terrorists, killings every day, and no national emergency yet. Ex-Chief of Army Staff Buratai talk say insecurity na political problem, but na soldier dey pay for the fight. Leaders, una just dey watch, abi get wetin you no know. Your PVC na your souvenir. Gather am like your life. Arrange vote watch, report vote buying, film intimidation, and for our food, say no to GMO dumping. Demand transparent biosafety rules. Protect local seed. Secure lives, secure farms, secure 2027.
If you no laugh, you go learn.